Hello, friends. Many of you have been asking me about my rooftop tent and that's how I made it after watching some of the pics of it in the videos before. In this video, we are going to introduce you the rooftop platform and the tent. I hope you like it. The rooftop tent I have made is a combo of a do-it-yourself platform and a ready-made ground tent from Quechua. Let's look at the platform. The components of the platform are a roof rack to mount it, set of plywoods, couple of hinges, a telescopic ladder which is bought from Amazon, and a tarpaulin cover for weather protection. The ladder is used to pull and push the platform to fold it open and to close it. The ladder is pulled out in such a way that it supports the hanging part of the platform and makes about 23 to 30 degrees of angle to the vertical. The rubber pads at the bottom of the ladder ensure that it doesn't slip. Once the ladder is secured on the floor, your platform is ready to receive the tent. The platform is designed to take about 300 kgs. The tent used is Quechua 2 seconds 2, fresh and black, which has opening sides and a liftable outer cover in front. This is great for ventilation. There are two support brackets made out of the door hinges to support the tent on sides. The pop-up tents need some space to be set up and then to fold. This can be easily done on the platform as well, the same way we can do it on the ground. The steps explain this. The outer of the tent is secured on the brackets on the sides and Q hooks on the platform in corners. And inner of the tent is secured on the platform with 4 Q hooks on all corners. The side flaps of the tent are secured on do-it-yourself support staff. The tent is set up. Let's take a look at external appearance of the tent. The extended part of the platform combined with the rear door of the vehicle and the support ladder also functions as a weather shelter for cooking etc. during windy and rainy climate. The telescopic ladder is secured with the platform using L brackets. This is how it looks standing here. Let's check out the internals. Climbing the ladder, opening the outer flap, The inner flap has a ventilating window at the top. And here is the cozy, nicely ventilated place to retire after the tiring day in the wild, or gaze the surroundings with the comfort and safety. There is a gap between the tent's outer and inner, helping ventilation and reducing chances of inner of the tent and the floor getting wet in case of rain. It is time to pack up the camp and get going. Folding is pretty much reverse of setup. Following the steps, the tent can be folded on the platform itself. It takes even lesser time than to set up. Just need to be extra cautious around the hardware not to cut the tent cloth in haste. I love my Quechua 2 seconds too. The 8 feet long, 13 step telescopic ladder folds into just over 2 feet length. Once packed, the tent, a couple of sleeping bags, and other camping gear like chairs can be stored in the platform. That's it for now, folks. Let me know if you like this video and wish to do your own DIY RTT, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.